Signs that you are unattractive. And of course, this video is not for everyone, but it might be for you. Anything other than that, no. Let's go. Number 1. You know what? There are no signs that you are unattractive. Kasi if you think you're unattractive, you're probably unattractive. Ulitin ko ha, kasi baka hindi mo naintindihan. If you think you're unattractive, then you're unattractive. Kung sa tingin mo pangit ka, walang pipigil sa'yo. Hindi na kita pipigilan. If you want to think na pangit ka, be my guest. Kasi no one in this world has the right to tell you that you are unattractive. Hence, the reason why there's no signs. If you think you're unattractive, then simply be better. Huwag ka na magpaka-sad boy, huwag ka nang magpaka-sad girl kasi it's just gonna make things worse for you. It's not gonna make your crush like you more, or it's not gonna make your self-esteem be better. Kuya, ginawa ko na lahat. I tried everything. If you still feel unattractive despite doing everything, you didn't do everything. Kulang pa. At kung isa ka sa mga lalaki na nagko-comment na, basta pogi magugustuhan agad nila, shut up! Imagine, tingin mo pangit ka na, tapos magpapaka-sad boy ka pa. Why not just work on yourself? Everyone can be attractive in their own way. Even if society says na hindi ka pwede maging pogi or maganda, then simply be your own standard. I know it's easier said than done. Maraming hihila sa'yo pababa. Pero ulitin ko yung sinabi ko sa simula, no one in this world has the right to tell you that you are unattractive besides yourself. So what's the point of this video? It's for you to understand the fact that you can be attractive. You just have to start with yourself.